Naku, eto. Naku, magpapalit pa yata sila ng mga costume. Okay, number 1. We have Kimberly Albao. Number 2, Patricia Albao. Number 3, Lady Malek Romento. Number 4, John Cedric Ramirez. And number 5, Queen Elizabeth Casas. Judges, para meron kayong paglistahan. Contestant number 1, Kimberly Albao. Contestant number 1, Kimberly Albao. Contestant number 2, Patricia Albao. Contestant number 3, Lady Malek Ramento. Contestant number 4 will be John Cedric Ramirez. And contestant number 5, Queen Elizabeth Casas. So mga kaibigan, shout out po, Monchi, JM, and the rest of the company. Kakanta si Monchi. Hindi pa ako kumakain. Diyos, hindi nandun ang pagkain ko. ABS family, maraming salamat po sa pagtitiwala at taon-taon. Palakpakan naman natin ang inyong mga sarili, ABS family! Officers and members, ABS, thank you very much. So, ladies and gentlemen, huwag na natin patagalin. Judges, contender number 1, Kimberly Albao. Wala bang palakpakan dyan? Yes, sa lahat po ng ating mga contestants, get ready with your piece. Siyempre, number 1 yan. Go, go, go! Judges, Kimberly Albao.
We could have had it all, rolling in the deep. You had my heart inside of your hand, and you played it, you played it, you played, yeah, yeah. No, yeah, yeah, na na. pictures are bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out and I'll lay your shop there. See how I'll leave with every piece of you. Do not underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire started in my heart, reaching a fever pitch as a bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love reminds me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Running the deep, you had my heart inside of your hand, and you played it, you played it, you played it. We could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside of your hand, and you played it to the beat. Check this out, ha! Maglamay, malulugat na magpet ang pilit ko kinakasa. Tulang mga kargada, papatunayan natin ang makakalo sa mga skin. Matatagal mababala itong simula. Yo, ha! Paras na kumikirot, binabalik ang katunggali mo nung kumukulubot. Ngayon itindihan mo na ba? Balbang kakamali na ako pang binangga. Abang matalata, sa mabitaw ko, naliriko. Di mo makakainito, binabato ko ng mga salita na makagalaw at nakatakan na napalpasin ako doon pinakamalahas. Ladies and gentlemen! Yeah! Throw your soul through every open door. Count your blessings to find what you look for. Turn myself in the pressure girl. You'll pay me back in a kind of ring, just what you saw. Oh, we're gonna find love. You had my heart inside of your hand, and you played it, you played it, you played it. We could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside of your hand, and you played it, you played it, you played it, you played it to the beat.
Follow us with this song. Please keep like.
So much, Kimberly Albao. This time, let's give it up for our second contender for tonight, Patricia Albao.
piling kapuso ko'y biglang umila iyong buwanan ng naging isa. Sandali, kahit isang saglit mayayaw ka. Kahit isang saglit
Patricia Albao, contender number 2. This time, thank you very much. This time, for our third contender for tonight, judges, please welcome Lady Malek Romento. May palakpakan pa kaya? Thank you so much.
na sana sapa kung kaya kong umiwas na, di na sana lalapit pa kung kaya kong sana. Ito ang tanging nais ko, ang ating kahapon sana maulit kung ako nagkamali minsan, di na ba mapagbibigyan o tingin mo ang nais ko, ang nais ko kung kaya kong iwanan ka, di na sana sapa kung kaya kong umiwas na, di na sana lalapit pa kung kaya kong iwanan ka, di na sana sapa kung kaya kong umiwas na, di na sana lalapit pa. Mahal pa rin kita, oh kilig, oh kilig ko. Thank you po.
Yes. Contender number 3, Lady Malek Romento. Terno pa yung ano niya. Okay. Our second and the last finalist for tonight, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause, Mr. John Cedric Ramirez. Palakpakan naman.
Sound check, check. Bago ka lumisan, sana'y maturuan mo na iwasan ng bawat nakasanayan ko at limutin ng maghintay lagi sa'yo. Paano kung wala ka na? Paano ba ang mag-isa? Mula nang kasama ka, paano'y nang limot ko na? Bago ka lumisan, Sana'y maturuan mo na iwasan ng bawat nakasanayan ko at limutin na maghintay lagi sa'yo. Paano ba ito? Paano kung wala ka na? Kung di mo na ako pansin, kung di alam ang gagawin, paano ba ang magising bago ka lumisan? Sana'y maturuan mo na iwasan na bawat nakasanayan ko at limutin na maghintay lagi sa'yo. Paano ba ito? Oh, kay daming bagay na hindi ko na alam, tulad ng lumuha at sa'yo'y ay magdamdam. Dahil naniwalang labis mo akong mahal, laman ng bawat kong dasal. Paano ba mahal?
Yes! John Cedric Ramirez. Yeah! Maraming salamat. Ako nahihirapan ako mag-judge siya. Anyway, judges, our last contender for tonight, a round of applause to Miss Queen Elizabeth Casas. Palakpakan naman, people. Yeah.
Soundcheck.
I've never seen a diamond in the flesh. I cut my teeth on wedding rings in the movies, and I'm not proud of my address. In the turn of town, no post could envy, and everybody's like, she's great girl, she been in the bathroom. Steamboat, I'm stretching to terror. We don't care. We're driving Cadillacs in London, but everybody's like, Kristen, baby, time on a time fish, Zeppelin, highlights, triangles are golden. We don't care. We aren't caught up in your double fare, and we'll never be royals. It's running our blood. The kind of marks the same for us. We crave a different kind of cross. Let me be your ruler. You can call me green dream, baby, 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 I will do. Let me live the fantasy. My friends and I will rock the gold. Bring down the dollars on the train to the party. And everyone who knows us knows. The first night with this, we didn't come for money. But it's way good, strolling in the bathroom. Let's steamboat, I'm stretching till terror. We don't care, we're driving Cadillacs in London. Everybody's like the babies, I want a time piece. Dribbling silent silence in the coldest. We don't care, we're all gonna be your number bear. And we'll let it be royal. It's running our blood. The kind of blocks just ain't for us. We crave a different kind of buzz. Let me be your full love. And you can come the queen, be a baby. Baby, baby, I will rule. Let me live the fantasy. Here we go. Woo! Gonna get to the ball. Too much money, difference in the single period. What's the richest now? The parent by the richest. Raise humanity, that's your responsibility. You're looking down on people now, but where is the humility? Give me the homie money in the ass. I can do it with a turn the air. None of us getting money, gonna last. And the seas runs on that. Got the mic, I'm gonna think insanity. But it's in a rain of people scratching, gotta be kind of mad. Bigger than we'd ever dream. I'm in love with me. Never scared but not again. But I'm gonna be your love. No, it's kind of belongs just like for us. We're brave and different kind of us. Oh baby, 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 I will rule. Live that fantasy, baby. No, 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 no. Oh, 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 ooh, 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 ooh. Let me live that fantasy. Let me live the fantasy. Let me live that fantasy.
Queen Elizabeth Casas.
This video is brought to you.
Aha! Maraming salamat po. Ayan, nasayahan ba lahat? Of course, maraming salamat ABS Family for your second season of Tawag ng Tanghalan Teen Edition. Ayan, thank you very much sa Guriang Barangay ng Mambog, sa Guriang Kabataan ng Mambog, at siyempre sa lahat ng mga tao dito sa Mambog. Thank you very much. Ayan, hintayin na lang po natin ang ating winners for tonight. The grand winner will receive 5,000 pesos. First runner-up, 3,000 pesos. Second runner-up, 2,000 pesos. And the other two will receive a consolation prize of 500 pesos each. Thank you so much. Sa lahat po ng ating mga judges, maraming salamat po. Ayan, baka may gusto kumanta. Ayan, madam. Ayan, shout out po sa mga kaibigan natin dito sa ating barangay, Mambog. Thank you very much sa ating mga judges, Eugene Yap, Sir Michael Victor Season, we have Antoinette Padua, Levy Alejo, and Sir Alvin Rosales. Maraming salamat. And syempre pa sa lahat po ng mga nandito ngayon. Again, thank you very much ABS family. Ayan, shout out na po kay Susan. Hi, Ate Susan. Ayan. Okay, may trophy tayo in fairness. At malalaman po natin sa ilang sandali kung sino po ang mag-grand champion this year sa second edition po ng Tawag ng Tanghalan Teen Edition. Hi and shout out kay Minerva. like to acknowledge yung ating pong nagbigay ng trophy, Sir Morales. Michael Morales. Hi, Sir Fernando Morales. Thank you very much, Sir Fernando. And of course, shout out kay Miss Ana Vargas. At syempre pa, hi, Madam Christy Stoco. Madam Christy, maraming salamat po. Madam Christy Stoco, thank you very much. At syempre sa mga sobre, maraming salamat po. Ayan, wala ba kayong gustong batiin? Ayan yung mga candidate po nila, Monching at Milet, pakisuportahan daw niyo po sa April 30. Ayan. Ay, yung candidate ko rin po, pakisupport nyo. Candidate number 11. Sa lalaki, Ayan, si Dave. Ayan, support nyo po yung candidate ko. Ayan, on April 29, makikita-kita rin po tayo dito ulit para sa ating TikTok challenge. And once again sa ating po mga contenders, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsali. Ayan, TikTok Dance Challenge by AKP, April 29. Magkita-kita po tayong muli dito sa entablado ng inyo. Napakalaki entablado ng Barangay Mambog. Thank you very much, Barangay Mambog. Gino Certeza, maraming salamat. Nako, mukhang nagkakaroon sila ng deliberation kung sino ang aangat sa 5 finalists. Again and again, maraming salamat sa ating mga judges. Benmar Lights and Sounds, thank you so much. And congratulations once again sa Guriang Barangay ng Mambog sa napakaraming palabas, gabi-gabi. Ayan ang ating po mga judges. Nakita nyo naman kanina, mga talaga namang marunong kumanta. Kaya alam nila ang kung sino ang karapat-dapat manalo ngayong gabi. Shout out sa ating mga barangay tanod din natin dito sa Barangay Mambog. Maraming salamat po sa mga taga-barangay Mambog Tanods. Mga tanod natin, mga magigiting nating tanod ng Barangay Mambog. Thank you so much. Wala akong boses. Sila kagawad, nandito pa rin. Yes, thank you very much. Hoy, palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga kagawad. Ayan, palakpakan naman natin, mga nandito pa natin mga kagawad. Thank you so much sa inyong time and effort. Ayan, tinatabulate na po at malapit na pong isulat sa malinis na papel ang ating pong mga winners. Sa lahat po ng mga contestant natin pala, from ABS family, thank you so much. Eh, syempre yung ating factory ng siomay. Kaya kinukuha din nga pala ako niyan. Yung factory ng siomay natin. Pag kanilang may mga events sila. Thank you very much po. Ano ba ang pangalan ng ating factory? Yes, Boss Jeff. And the staff and group ng Siomay, Boss Jeff and company. Maraming salamat po. Ayan na. Benmar Lights and Sounds, thank you so much. Shout out. Ayan, pakikiusapan ko po lahat ng ating mga judges and ABS family. Aakyat po tayong lahat. Ayan. Especially the officers. Kaya kailangan po natin dito sa taas lahat. Shout out kay Mayan. Pakipatay nga po. Pati ako pakipatay nyo na rin. Etos. Mary Ann Celebre. Ayan. Shout out Mary Ann. Kapangalan mo pa yung dati kong girlfriend. Kakainis. Pinaalala nyo na naman sa akin. Kinalimutan ko na nga siya. Ako baka may kamag-anak dito yun ah. Ayan ako. Gumagamit na po sila ng calculator. Sino kaya? Ako kasi medyo nalilito kung anong rank. Magagaling ano kagawad? Sino kaya ang aangat? Voice quality 40%. Stage presence 25%. Kalimutan ko na yung iba. Siyempre ang audience impact 10%. Eh mukhang nagtatalo-talo po sila. Pwede ba akong makialam? Diyos. Shout out ABS family. Maraming salamat po muli. Ako ang mananalo. Ayan. Paitabi na yung Jollibee ko. Baka mawala pa. Sandali lang. Ayan, salamat sa pa-Jollibee, ABS. Ayan, konting-konti na lang. Wala sa ano kondisyon. Sa isang araw na lang, sa 29 po, nandito rin kayo, eh, no? Yes! Sinusulat na po ang ating mga winners. Sino kaya? Ayan sa mga barangay, taga-barangay Mambog, thank you very much po sa inyong time na mapanood po ang ating Tawag ng Tanghalan Teen Edition Season 2. Siyempre sa SK Federation President, Sir Moses, Konsihal, thank you very much. At sa kanya mga kagawad, ng mga nandiyan pa. Go, go, go! Po. Ayan, time check. Nako, 1 minuto na lang. Magbabago na ako. 11:59. Naku, wala pa yung langis. Hindi ko nadala ang langis. Kagawad. Okay, once again, we would like to acknowledge our board of judges, Sir Eugene Yap, Sir Michael Victor Simpson, Ma'am Antoinette Padua, Sir Levi Alejo, and Ma'am Levi Alejo and Alvin Rosales. Shout out Richie Pereira. Ayan, ating kaibigan dito din sa Mambog. Richie Pereira. Mga friendly natin dito sa Mambog. Mukhang nahihirapan yung ating mga judges sa ating pangalawang tindigan. Mukhang nagbago-bago ang kanilang mga pananaw. Konti na lang ba, SK? Saan kaya sila bumaze? Ano kaya mga pinagbasihan bukod dun sa ating mga criteria for judging? Alam ko nahihirapan sila kung sino gagawin 4th at 5th. Kasi ang hirap. Yung pang-4 at pang-5, doon sila nahihirapan. Oh, may umiiling. Umiiling yung isa. Ayan na. Okay. Nanghihinayang yung mga judges kasi walang tulak kabigin sa ating mga contestants sa top 5. Ayan, pakipirmahan. Mga judges, alin po kayo dito sa taas. Inaanyayahan po kayong lahat dito sa taas. Contestants, sa taas po, and ABS family. Sa taas po tayong lahat. Go, go, go! Hali po kayo lahat. Kimberly Albao, Patricia Albao, Lady Malek Ramento, John Cedric Ramirez, and Queen Elizabeth Casas. Judges, dito po tayo sa taas. Ba't lumiit ang papel? Oh! Wala po yung dalawa. Wala po sa listahan yung dalawa pa. Yung consolation. Okay. The result is judges' decision. Ay! Nasa na po lahat? Dito pala sa gitna. It's our judges' choice.
Under my eyes, turn the rhythm up. Don't you wanna just come
Judges, sa taas po tayo. Lahat po ng judges sa taas.
Watch me dance, dance the night away. My heart could be burning, but you won't see it on my face. Watch me dance, dance the night away. I'll still keep the party running. I won't get out of place.
Go, 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 ABS.
Lately, I've been moving close to the edge. Still be looking my best. I stay on the beat, you can count on me. I ain't missing no steps. 'Cause every romance shakes and it bends. Don't give a damn. When the night's here, I don't do tears, baby, no chance. I could dance, I could dance, I could
Ayan, nasa po yung ating mga
watch me
judges and
dance the night away.
ABS family.
But you won't see it on my face. Watch me dance, dance the night
Halina po kayo dito lahat.
Still keep the party running.
ABS family and the judges. Kanina po natin ibibigay ang mga tropeyo, ang mga sobre. So mga kaibigan, sa mga magulang po ng ating mga contestants, maraming salamat. Nasa akin na po ang resulta. Ito po ay judges' decision. Nahirapan ba kayo, mga hurado? Napakahirap dun sa 5. No. Okay. For our third place winner, siya po ay kumanta kanina. Mga kaibigan, our third place winner. So, yung dalawang hindi ko tatawagin, sila po ang ating mga consolation. Third place winner is Mr. John Cedric Ramirez. Cedric, doon ka muna. Mga kaibigan, our second place winner. Siya po ay isang babae. Second place winner to receive 3,000 pesos is no other than may letter A ang kanyang pangalan. Lahat naman sila may letter A. Miss! Alam niyo mga kaibigan, this is Miss Patricia Albao. Aha! Si John Cedric Tagalog din ang kinanta kanina. Patricia ay Tagalog din. So, our grand winner for tonight to receive 5,000 pesos in cold cash plus a trophy. Thank you very much, ABS family. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating ABS family. And our board of judges, wala bang palakpakan dyan? Our grand winner ay isa pa ring babae. Miss ang umawit ng sana'y maulit muli, Lady Malik Ramento. Palakpakan naman tayo dyan, people. And to our consolation prizes, Queen And Kimberly, maraming salamat po. You will receive a consolation prize from ABS Family. Once again, in behalf of ABS Family, we would like to thank everybody for coming. This has been Mara Bisharan saying thank you. At sana po, umuwi po tayo may mga ngiti sa ating mga labi. God bless everyone! Ayan, sa mga judges natin, may token po kayo from ABS Family.
We're 1,000 miles from comfort. We have traveled land and sea. But as long as you are with me, there's no place I'd rather be. With every step we take, Kyoto to LA, strolling so casually. We're different and the same. Gave you another name. Switch up the batteries. If you gave me a chance, I would take it. I'd rather be. Light Paris.